Hi, content creators. Today we're going to talk about a common challenge creating lead magnets. Without a lead magnet, it's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. No matter how much effort you put into attract an audience, they'll just slip through without something valuable to keep them engaged and connected to you. But here's the good news. I'm about to show you how you can create a stunning lead magnet in just minutes using a powerful tool called LeadCreator. LeadCreator makes crafting professional, engaging lead magnets as simple as a few clicks. Whether it's a micro course, an ebook, or a YouTube transcript turned into content, this platform does it all and fast. Let's face it, creating lead magnets can steal your time. Sorting through all the tools, formatting, setting up email captures, it's exhausting. And most solutions either break the bank or come with a steep learning curve. That's why Lead Creator is a game changer. It's your AI powered assistant that lets you create, store, share, and track lead magnets effortlessly. From ebooks to guides, everything happens in one easy to use dashboard. And in this video, I'll show you just how quick and simple it is to create your first lead magnet with Lead Creator. First, I will show you how I create a lead magnet live with Lead Creator, and then I will show you a video where the co-founder Philip Borrowman shows you how Lead Creator works. Alright, so let's dive in. I am here on the dashboard of Lead Creator. This is the front end offer. So it's not an upgraded offer. So let's have a look here. Create a lead magnet. Can put in a name, any name for your lead magnet. For example, how content creators can defeat imposter syndrome in 3 easy steps. And here you can choose a template. For example, if we want to create a ebook. All right, so I've created a prompt here, but you can make it as complex or as simple as you like. So I've created this prompt and now we can go to create. All right, so now it is doing its thing. And we will come back in a second to look what it has created. All right, so here you go. Here is your lead magnet. There's some emojis. You can delete of it. For example, go there, take out all the emojis altogether. You can even add a picture in here. Going here, add an image, insert it in there. There's the image. You can make it smaller. This is really big. All right, and there you go. There you've got your guide. Great stuff. And now we can come and create the email template. You can make it standard or ebook style, which means you can include the image in here, blurred option, video. You can insert the video in here. Right, so keep it on standard for this one. Then you can give it a title, for example, how content creators can defeat imposter syndrome. Then you leave this as is. You can add your own privacy policy from your website, or you can have Lead Creators domain default. Then the label, you can change the wording over here. You can even create a double opt-in where you can send this lead magnet to the email of the person who signed up. Then you've got the style. You can change the colors over here. And step 4, the trigger, blur time. You can say how many seconds you want the blur to last, half page blur or on mouse scroll. Alright, so yeah, you can actually integrate your autoresponder. For example, GetResponse, Aweber, Mailchimp, etc. With more coming like High Level, Groove Mail, HubSpot, etc. And if you can't find your autoresponder here, you can go over to Zapier, Pabbly, or Make.com and then use a webhook to actually connect it to. All right, so here you can see our lead magnet has been created, but it's still an unpublished. So we can go back and publish this. You can publish it over here. Right, and we can view it over here. Right. And now we can see it is published. It's also very nice. You can actually add a custom domain here as well. All right, like I've done over here. And I've created this lead magnet specifically for this video. So you can actually download this. I will leave the link in the description of this video so that you can see just how this works. All right. I've used the YouTube summarizer template to summarize the script of this video. So let's head over to the video where Philip gives a little bit of a walkthrough on how LeadCreator works.
Hi guys, Philip Borrowman here, and let me give you a 60-second demo to show you how fast it is to create a lead magnet using LeadCreator. Okay, and over the course of the next 6 months, next year, next 2 years, next 3 years, next 4 years, we are committing hundreds of thousands of dollars to this development. Okay, in fact, for this launch, every single penny we are raising in November during this launch is going back into developing the software to make sure it's evergreen, well supported, and it's a tool that you will have as your #1 arsenal in your content creation process. And
I have to say, I appreciate this from the founders of LeadCreator. This gives you some confidence that this is a tool that's not a fly-by-night type of tool, but it is here to stay. All right, let's continue to listen.
I want to implore you to stick with me in this video because I want to share with you as well why LeadCreator is not just a tool for creating lead magnets. It's a way to drastically increase your growth rate with your email list, your engagement, and more with your following. Okay, so keep watching. We'll jump in here and I'll show you why LeadCreator can potentially transform your business overnight. Okay, so let's jump in here. And so for you to create your first lead magnet using LeadCreator, all you do, guys, is click on create. Boom, right here. And give this a name like so. And then here you choose your template. If you want to start with a completely blank page where you can create your own lead magnet using our AI tool inside here, or simply copy and paste your lead magnet content from your favorite AI tool, go for that. Or go here and you can choose one of our pre-done templates for you. I'll choose the ebook creator just for this example, and I'll go here and expand the prompt field, and I'll paste in here a simple prompt I've created for the content. Okay, now I'll click on create. Now our template in the background will make sure that the content is succinct, well written, and more. Okay, so while this here is working, it'll take about sort of 20-30 seconds. I want to also sort of convey to you that LeadCreator is not a software that we're launching this month and then hey presto, next month we're gone, no more updates, no more support, nothing. We are dedicating hundreds of thousands of dollars to this project to make sure that LeadCreator is a cornerstone of your business long term, to grow your list, to build up your following, to engage your audience, and more. Okay, so you can see now here, guys, the AI content has been created. Okay, now obviously, as with all AI tools, you have to read through it and make sure it's accurate, make sure it has correct information, obviously, because AI tools sometimes they do they do make up stuff, right? So you want to make sure that you go through this here and make sure you read it and so on and so forth. Okay, but you can see it's comprehensive, it's detailed, and it's all here. And what you can do now, if you want to, you can start highlighting text here, and you can use our editor here to bold things, change font color, and so on and so forth. Here, you can also click on Ask AI right here, and you can go ahead and make changes. So if I say here, rewrite this in the voice of a pirate, right? It will go and do that. Boom, just like that. And here, obviously, you can go ahead and change it. You can change the tone, you can expand, subtract, you can make it longer, make it shorter, make it more succinct, and so on, so on, so on, right? This AI tool here works like any other AI tool. Whatever you want to do, you can do in there, okay? So you can see, boom, right there. So if I want to change it here and say, more pirate style, right? Simply go to replace here. Hey, presto, here it is. And also, you can also go and drag and drop here, like so. So if you want to move things around, move this chapter heading here, like so. If you want to add videos and images and so on, hey presto, here it is, image, video, YouTube, and all that good stuff. Okay, so the editor here is very, very self-explanatory. Okay, and you can do your own thing here. If you want to paste in content from elsewhere, boom, feel free, bring it in here, and you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, now this is where the magic happens in terms of the list growth. Okay, so let me show you a few features here, so you understand what you can do here. Now, here you have your email capture. This here gives you various templates right here, as you can see, the preview. Things like ebook style, blurred button, video. If you want to have no email capture at all, just so you can share the link, choose this option here. But let's say for argument's sake, I choose the ebook style here. We have an image on the left and the email capture on the right-hand side, okay? Here, I can click on here and choose an image. So if I just go ahead and choose a random image here like so, okay? And then that image there will then appear. And then here, I go ahead and change here. I can go and change this to whatever, okay? I'll give you a headline here. And obviously here you can add your privacy policy. If you don't have one, we can add a default one for you. And then here, if you want to add a double opt-in, go for it. That's all good there as well. And here you can go ahead and change the color of the button to be whatever you want to have here. And here as well, you can choose various triggers, okay? My favorite trigger is the half page blur trigger. I'll show you that in a second, okay? Click on save. And then here you go to integrations, and here you can integrate whatever autoresponder you want to integrate with. And you can see here we've got a whole bunch coming. I'll talk to you more about the social slider, the expiring URL, and the scarcity maker in a second. But for now, I'll go back here to the content editor, okay? And so here, now if I click on publish here now, and if I go ahead and go to view, this is what the person will see. So if I take this link here, which of course you can have a custom link branded to your domain name, that's no problem at all. If I take this link here now and share it with somebody, this is what they see. And here you can see the half page blur, okay? And this is why this is my favorite template is because it teases your audience to read this here, and then they have to opt in here to keep reading. So now if I go here and go like so and say test at test.com, come in here, and I can simply pop my email here, and this now means now I can go, oh, now I can keep reading, okay? And this is then cookied to that person, so if they come back here again later to read this here, they can just read through this here and enjoy your lead magnet, okay? And this here is where LeadCreator becomes more than just a lead magnet creation tool, because if I now go back to my main dashboard, and I can do that by going back here, and then simply go back here to back, like so. And then here on the dashboard, you see all your lead magnets. Here you can see testing right there. Now, if I open this here, you can see here, first of all, you can see visits 1, leads 1, conversion rate 1, obviously 100. But here right now, if I want to go ahead and update this, okay, all I do is this. So I can say here, 100, okay, and simply click on update here. And then this link here, you can see right now, does not have this here. But if I refresh this here, like so, boom, that's how you update it. So that means that you can update lead magnets very easily without having to download things and re-upload things and email your list and say, hey guys, I've updated this thing here. You can just do it, and they automatically updates across all their links, okay? That's very powerful. And also with the LeadCreator, the one great feature we have is the fact that all your lead magnets are on one dashboard. So here you can see all the lead magnets I have right now that I'm using in testing and so on. You can see they're all here. So I bet your ass, if I asked you right now, show me your last 10 lead magnets, you will go, oh yeah, where are they again? You have to think, okay, which WordPress website did I upload them to, right? Because you forget, whereas here, it's all here in one dashboard. And the one beauty here is when you click on create here and you go to create lead magnets, the great thing here, guys, is with these templates or with simply the blank page here and all the future templates coming in future, it means that it cuts out so much noise for you. Because normally what happens is, normally a person who is using a combination of WordPress and Canva and some kind of lead generation tool and a page builder, they'll have to use 4 different tools to create a lead magnet. But here you can do it inside LeadCreator like that, okay?
All right, so there you go, and you can go on the landing page for yourself to go and look at the full video where Philip goes through Lead Creator. All right. So this tool isn't just about features. It's about empowering creators like us to build lasting relationships with our audience. Lead Creator isn't just a software. It's a movement to simplify and amplify the impact of content creators like us. So, if you grab Lead Creator today through my link, I've got some exclusive bonuses waiting for you. I will leave a link to this page in the description below. Thank you for watching. You can drop any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tools and tips to level up your creator journey. See you in the next one. Bye bye.